In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Fireflies AI to Slack. This process is incredibly straightforward and will help you seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools to enhance your productivity and team communication. Let's get started. First, you'll need to sign in to your Fireflies AI account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one by going to the Fireflies website and following the instructions to sign up. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can access all the features and settings of Fireflies. Next, navigate to the Settings section. You can usually find this option either in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen or in the top right corner, depending on the layout of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings will open up various options that allow you to customize your Fireflies experience. Once in the Settings menu, look for the Integrations option. This is where Fireflies offers the ability to connect with a variety of other services and platforms. Integrations can help streamline your workflow by connecting Fireflies to the tools you already use, so it's worth exploring other possibilities here as well. Now let's focus on Slack. Within the Integrations tab, scroll through the list of available services until you find Slack. Once you've located Slack, click on the Connect button next to it. Clicking this button will initiate the linking process between Fireflies and your Slack workspace. At this point, you might be prompted to sign into your Slack workspace if you're not already logged in. Enter your Slack credentials and continue with the process. This step is crucial as it ensures that Fireflies can securely connect to your specific Slack workspace. After signing in, you'll be presented with a list of requested permissions. These permissions allow Fireflies to function correctly within your Slack environment, enabling it to interact with channels, users, and messages as needed. It's important to review these permissions carefully so you understand what access you're granting to Fireflies. Once you've gone through the permissions, click Allow. To authorize the integration, by clicking Allow, you're officially linking Fireflies to your Slack workspace, which means Fireflies will start helping you capture and transcribe meetings, track action items, and much more directly within Slack. And just like that, you've successfully linked Fireflies AI to your Slack workspace. This integration should significantly boost your ability to collaborate and manage tasks efficiently. Remember, whenever you're setting up new integrations, reviewing permissions and understanding what each tool can do is always a good practice. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your productivity tools. Have a great day.